Woodworking is an art that requires precision, creativity, and the right tools to bring your visions to life. Whether you're crafting intricate details or tackling larger projects, the right power tools can save you time, effort, and frustration. In this video, we'll explore the 7 best power tools for woodworkers that deliver performance, versatility, and reliability. Each of these tools has been carefully chosen to help you master your craft, no matter your skill level. Let's dive straight into the details and find out which tools will transform your woodworking experience. Number 1. Dremel 4300-540 High Performance Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 4300-540 is the go-to tool for intricate woodworking projects that demand precision. Its sleek design combines power with versatility, offering a 1.8 amp motor that delivers consistent performance across various tasks. The rotary tool features variable speed control ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, allowing you to tackle delicate carvings or robust sanding tasks with ease. What sets the Dremel 4300 apart is its compatibility with an extensive range of accessories. The kit includes 40 attachments, giving you everything you need for engraving, polishing, and even cutting. Its universal 3-jaw chuck enhances usability by accommodating all Dremel accessory shank sizes, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. Durability is another standout feature, with a solid construction that withstands heavy use. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, while the integrated LED light illuminates your workspace for enhanced accuracy. Whether you're crafting decorative wood art or repairing furniture, the Dremel 4300-540 offers unmatched precision and versatility.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. SKIL Corded Multifunction Detail. Sander sanding is essential for achieving smooth finishes, and the SKIL Corded Multifunction Detail Sander excels in this area. Designed with a compact, ergonomic shape, this tool easily reaches tight corners and intricate designs, making it ideal for woodworkers focused on detail work. Its powerful motor runs at 1.2 amps, providing a consistent sanding performance on a variety of surfaces. The tool's microfiltration system captures dust effectively, keeping your workspace cleaner and healthier. Additionally, its clear dust canister ensures you know when it's time to empty it. One of its most appealing features is the versatility it offers with its triangular sanding pad, which enables you to switch between projects seamlessly. Whether you're refinishing old furniture or preparing wood for a new coat of stain, this sander delivers a flawless finish every time. The easy-to-use hook and loop system for changing sandpaper adds to its convenience, while its sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. With the SKIL Detail Sander, even the most intricate sanding jobs become simple, leaving you with polished results that elevate your woodworking projects. Number 3. Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw 10 C10 FCGS. For precise cuts, the Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw is a woodworker's dream. Its 10-inch blade and 15-amp motor combine to deliver exceptional cutting power, making it ideal for framing, molding, and other detailed woodworking tasks. This miter saw offers a cutting speed of up to 5,000 RPM, ensuring clean, smooth cuts every time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, yet it's sturdy enough for heavy-duty projects. The tool's bevel range allows for precise angled cuts with up to 52 degrees of miter adjustment both left and right. Its horizontal handle is ergonomically designed for better control and reduced fatigue during extended use. The saw also includes a large table to support your materials and a vise clamp to keep them stable while cutting. Its carbon brush access extends the motor's lifespan, ensuring durability and reliability. Whether you're crafting picture frames or cutting wood for cabinetry, the Metabo HPT Miter Saw offers the precision and versatility you need to create professional-grade results. Number 4. BOSCH PR20 EVS Router Tool 1 horsepower. The BOSCH PR20 EVS Router Tool is the perfect tool for woodworkers seeking precision in edging, grooving, and decorative work. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, while the 1 horsepower motor provides ample power for a wide range of tasks. Equipped with variable speed control, this router tool allows you to adjust the speed between 16,000 and 35,000 RPM, ensuring optimal performance for different materials and techniques. Its fixed base features a depth adjustment system with fine-tuning capability, enabling you to achieve exact cuts every time. Durability and reliability are at the forefront of this tool's design. The aluminum base ensures stability, while the soft start motor minimizes torque upon startup for better control. The router also features a finger support pocket for enhanced stability during edge routing. Whether you're working on cabinetry, custom edges, or intricate patterns, the BOSCH PR20 EVS combines precision, power, and usability to help you achieve exceptional results. Number 5. WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander with 436In. Belt. The WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander is a versatile powerhouse for smoothing surfaces and shaping edges. Its 4 or 36-inch belt and 6-inch disc provide dual functionality, allowing you to tackle a variety of sanding tasks with ease. Powered by a 4.3 amp motor, this tool offers steady performance, even under heavy workloads. The adjustable belt can be tilted up to 90 degrees, accommodating both horizontal and vertical sanding positions. This flexibility is invaluable for complex woodworking projects requiring precise shaping and finishing. The sturdy cast iron base minimizes vibrations, ensuring stability during use, while the built-in dust collection port keeps your workspace clean. The sander also includes a miter gauge for angled sanding and beveling, adding to its versatility. Durable and easy to use, the WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander is an essential tool for woodworkers looking to achieve flawless finishes on their projects. Number 6. PHALANX Rotary Tool 3.7V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. For woodworkers on the go, the PHALANX Rotary Tool offers portability without compromising performance. This cordless rotary tool features a 3.7V motor with 3-speed settings, ranging from 5,000 to 15,000 RPM, making it suitable for carving, sanding, polishing, and engraving. The compact, lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, while its rechargeable battery provides consistent power for extended periods. The tool comes with 51 accessories, offering versatility for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Changing attachments is effortless, thanks to its quick-change chuck system. Durability is a highlight, with robust construction that withstands regular use. The PHALANX Rotary Tool is ideal for detailed work, such as creating intricate designs or touching up edges. Its wireless convenience and effective performance make it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Number 7. Hammerhead 4.8 amp 3/4-inch jig saw with blades. The Hammerhead jig saw combines precision and power to deliver exceptional performance for woodcutting projects. Its 4.8 amp motor powers through materials with ease, while the variable speed control allows you to adjust between 0 and 3000 SPM for customized cutting. This jig saw features a beveling base plate that tilts up to 45 degrees for angled cuts, offering versatility for various woodworking applications. The tool's ergonomic design includes a rubberized grip for added comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. The Hammerhead jig saw comes with a set of blades, ensuring you're ready to tackle projects straight out of the box. Its dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, enhancing accuracy and visibility. Durable and efficient, this jig saw is perfect for crafting curved cuts, intricate patterns, or straight lines, making it an indispensable tool for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. There you have it, our top picks for the best power tools for woodworkers. Each of these tools offers unique features that cater to different aspects of woodworking, from precision carving to heavy-duty cutting. Investing in quality tools not only enhances your craftsmanship, but also ensures durability and efficiency in every project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and woodworking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!